Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by understanding the 48 megapixel sensor and how it affects images. The iPhone 16 combines sensor pixels to create default 24 MP images for better low-light performance. Switch to Pro RAW 48 MP when you need maximum detail and latitude for editing. Photonic Engine enhances color and reduces noise before saving files. Keep aware that 48 MP Pro RAW files are much larger and require more storage space. Plan your shots and storage when shooting many high-resolution images. Choose the right shooting mode for your subject and conditions. For landscapes and studio work, enable Pro RAW 48 MP to capture maximum texture and dynamic range. For portraits or distant subjects, use the 2x crop or optical tele mode to avoid noisy digital zoom. Turn on the grid to follow the rule of thirds and hold exposure lock to preserve brightness. Use manual focus when close detail matters, and tap to set focus and exposure precisely before shooting. After shooting, manage your Pro RAW 48 MP files with a clear export workflow. Edit on the iPhone Photos app or a desktop editor to retain details while adjusting exposure, highlights, and color balance. When sharing online, export a 24 MP JPEG or HEIF copy to save bandwidth and device space. Archive original 48 MP Pro RAW files to cloud or external storage for future print or heavy edits. Keep a compressed copy for immediate sharing and preserve originals for long-term use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.